Okay, approaching Airport Road. This break in between storms really helped. I'm noticing a lot of parking lots are clear, and as you can tell as I'm walking, someone was nice enough to go through with the snowblower and clear the sidewalks. So we've had a break of several hours in between, and that has really assisted road crews and everyone with a snowplow, snow shovel, or snowblower to get things cleared up. So far, walking is not too bad, but Union Boulevard does appear. It appears that a lot of people are actually just staying inside and waiting for things to clear up. The Wawa over here is 100% definitely open, but again, everybody wants to get home safe and back to their families. So also, while it is raining, my hands are actually not freezing for a change while I'm doing this, but the wind, there are some gusts. The wind is fairly calm. There are some gusts, so if you're out, just be dressed for it, okay?